So I'm gonna start with this 2nd generation iPod Shuffle. We're gonna start, I think, grabbing this guy, because opening these is a little awkward. You have to like get in here and pry off these white like strips of plastic here. All right, there's that. There's 1 tiny screw, 2 tiny screws. Oh, that one was easier. Popped out the button. To be clear, I don't know if this works or not, so I'm not going to be testing it to see if it works. I'm honestly just practicing with this guy. We're gonna need a small one. Probably, I'm gonna say this guy. These are tiny. And then 2 more on the other side. And then we're gonna peel that piece off. And then that piece. Now we need to push everything out. I'm just gonna do this. Oh, easy. Okay, so I'm gonna treat this as if I was replacing the battery. I'm just gonna pull this tape off. Gonna grab this guy again and carefully try to remove the battery. Pretty sure it's just like glued in. Nice. Ooh, that's scary. I don't know, that's just like intimidating to me. Batteries. This actually seems to be stuck down with some sort of glue or something and not solder. So low-key, I'm thinking we're just gonna dive straight into this. And here's our spare battery. We're just gonna go in with this. To open it up, you literally just pull up on the clip. I don't know if you can hear that. Ooh, somebody needs new brakes. Okay. I'll find some way to straighten this, or maybe I won't. I don't even know. Let's fix this battery. Okay, we got a little screw in here. Just unscrew that really quick. Now let's just carefully lift the battery out of here. Like so. Then there's this little white piece I have to remove. And then just carefully push down inside the aux port. And it should slide this down so we can just pull it out. Like so. Now, that glue just came like right off. Did you see that? How did that just... Okay. honestly, there's no point in continuing this since this piece fell off, because I don't even know how to go about replacing that or fixing it or reattaching it. I did work at Apple, but it was not in the repair room, if you could not tell. I think we're just gonna open some things for fun now. And maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just open things. Opening things up is interesting. I like to see what the inside of stuff looks like. I'm returning the solder, and I am not even gonna try and mess around with that because I'm gonna burn my house down, melt off my hand, I don't know, something bad. But let's just see what the inside of this stuff looks like. Let's get these out of the way. I'm just gonna go ahead, if you are still watching, comment what else I should open. I'm just gonna, okay, that's all right. I don't have a razor blade, and I definitely, it's one thing I should have got. I'm gonna get razor blades. I'll come back when I have razor blades for this. I'm opening this. I'm gonna bring out this guy. I don't even know if this magic mouse was in working condition, so you can't say I broke it or I ruined it or anything like that, because I don't even think it was working before. I just want to open it up. Ooh. Wow. My goodness. I was not expecting it to look like that. Looks like we'll need maybe, perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna unscrew these screws. I'm putting stuff in random spots because I don't really care if something gets like lost or whatever. I'm probably just gonna put it all together in one big baggie. And then this one. This says, warning, potential for fire or burning. Do not disassemble, puncture, crush, heat, or burn. Let's take this out. I'm curious like why that battery is stuck in there so hard. There's these little clip things. Let's open those. Those look like they're holding something together. Looks like the battery's like held in by this whole entire bracket. I'm not gonna mess with that anymore because I'm probably gonna blow myself up. This is interesting though. Just look at all of those. So like every touch is recognized on there. That's so neat. I wonder how easily this just pops back on, especially with pieces missing. Just like that. I'm missing what makes it bouncy. The clicky. Here's your little light that goes right there. What is this? This literally looks like some sort of dead bug or something. Like a worm. Okay, sorry that was so anticlimactic. Yeah, I'm not gonna replace the battery to that shuffle. I am not gonna mess with soldering. If there's something else you want me to open, let me know. I'll rip it to shreds.